we're joined here with Sheri Scott from Milliman. So we're going to ask her the first question here, which is, how do you see traditional insurance companies adapting to the rise of insurtech startups and innovations within the industry?
I would see insurance companies really embracing what insurtech has to offer and doing so in a way that if they don't know how to do it in-house, that they can partner with companies that actually have conquered that. So if they're not sure how to digitize the customer experience, partnering with someone that does. I would also say insurance here in Asia has so much opportunity to evolve and grow. And so they should be embracing things that are like AI, new technology, and how you bring that into form some really strong underwriting and automate some processes and improve what they're already doing really well.
Okay, no, thanks so much for sharing as well. And I want to ask as well, with the increasing emphasis on data analytics and AI, how do you think these technologies are transforming insurance processes and customer experiences?
I would say that if I want to look back and look at the US lessons learned and look at how Asia can create advantages and opportunities from that, I would say in the US, they really created an amazing customer service experience. They digitized that and they used a lot of technology to do that. And I see Asia doing that already. What I would say is one thing, a lesson learned that the US did not do so well, that I would encourage insurance companies here to do better, is the underwriting process. So it's super important to understand that it's not just technology can't solve everything. So when you're introducing AI, introducing risk models, do so in a way that's very informed about the risks that you're insuring, and do it in a way that you have really strong underwriting so that you can create profitability for the insurance market in general, not only solving the customer's problems and what they need covered and insured, but also doing it in a very profitable manner. So it's not just growth, it's profitable growth. So introduce AI, introduce models, but do it in a way that's very informed to help not just solve the problem, but end to end, make sure you don't create other problems when you're doing it.
Yeah, I think definitely you touched upon a good topic of profitability in terms of how can business scale and yet still have those margins for revenue as well. Yeah. And also finally, looking ahead to the next 3 to 5 years, what do you predict will be the most significant changes or advancements in the insurance ecosystem, and how should industry stakeholders prepare for them?
I would say it's really emerging risk. So it's not so much how you insure the risk and what technology you use or what digitization you do or how you improve the process, but it's more so how you think about it in a very holistic manner for this emerging risk that's coming up. There's a lot of examples of emerging risk. Cyber is one that's becoming more and more prevalent risk. You've got climate-based risk that's really evolving right now. So how you look at that and you understand the risk and you use all those tools that you have and that technology brings to insure them or transfer that risk, price that risk in a very informed manner. And those companies that do that in a really thoughtful manner will stay ahead of the curve and will stay at the forefront of insurance and insurtech.
Thank you so much, Sheri, for sharing your thoughts. I think it's definitely a different perspective in terms of what we can learn as well. Thank you.
Thank you for having me.